Hello, my name is Annabelle Leon Pira. I am 26 years old. I am studying psychology. I work in the Colombian National Police and I live in Bucaramanga. My day starts at 5 o'clock. I wake up, then I brush my teeth at waking past 5. After that, take a shower and look for some clothes. Then I prepare breakfast and eat it. I finally go to work at 6:10. I start working from 7 to 2. About 2:30 I have lunch. When I arrive home, I spend my time in personal things. When I finish day, I sleep until 8, take a shower again, and now I'm ready to go to work from 10 to 7. And that's my routine. Thank you.